back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today I'm doing a whole video around how to lose weight for the lazy teenagers summer edition. I've done one of these videos before and you guys seem to love it. I'll link it in the description box. Definitely go check those ones out. Of course, this doesn't have to just apply to teenagers, but I know that I could have used some tips and tricks when it came to when I was a teenager. I made a lot more unhealthy choices. I think it's always important to try and be as health conscious as possible. Try to live a healthy, balanced lifestyle and start that when you're young so that when you're older, you're going to thank yourself. Leave a comment telling me how old you are watching this video, and as well as if you don't know, Instagram just launched this new thing. There's Instagram channels now, so you can upload like 10-minute long videos. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram. It's at NicolettaXOYT because I'm gonna post a lot of videos that I don't end up posting on my YouTube. Let me know your thoughts about the new Instagram feature. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's just jump into it. To start off, I think it's really important to just sit down and identify your goal and what you want to accomplish. To do this, I always love to use to-do lists and wellness tracker lists because I think it is really essential not only to identify what your end goal is, but to set small goals in between your big end goal. It's going to keep you motivated. I find if you just focus on the end goal that may take a little bit of time, it's just going to unmotivate you when you don't accomplish it right away. So by setting daily goals, weekly goals, monthly goals, it really helps keep you accountable and also motivated because you'll make little strides of improvement, which will make you feel a lot better. My next hack is to start off your mornings with detox water. So I could do a whole video of my favorite detox waters. If you want to see that video, thumbs it up and let me know in the comments. But this is one of my go-to. All you're going to need is some cool green tea. You can also put ice in it if you kind of want it to be like an ice green tea. And then I like to throw in some lemon slices and cucumber slices. This drink is super great because it's going to boost your energy and it's a healthy alternative to coffee. Green tea is really great because it's said to boost your metabolism, flush out toxins. Lemon is great because it detoxes your body, it reduces bloating and boosts that metabolism. And the cucumbers help with weight loss, reducing sugar cravings, it helps with bloating, and it's also rich of fiber and just amazing nutrients for your body. Now I'm going to share with you my go-to metabolism boosting smoothie. To begin, all you're going to need is 3/4 cup of ice green tea, 1 cup of frozen berries, a handful of almonds, half a cup of Greek yogurt, a 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, and then just 2 teaspoons of chia seeds. So these are all the ingredients that you're going to need for this smoothie. It's really simple and easy to make, and it's a really great smoothie to make either for breakfast or even as a midday snack whenever you want. Like I said, this smoothie is really focused towards trying to boost your metabolism. All I did is I just put all of the ingredients into the blender. You can add ice if you would like as well. I blended it all up, of course, until it was completely smooth. But the reason why these ingredients are super great is because first, this smoothie has a great deal of protein and also zinc because of the Greek yogurt, which is said to increase the production of your hormone leptin, which is known to increase and improve your metabolism plus suppress your appetite. The strawberries and the berries are also full of high fiber and they keep you feeling full longer, and it's also packed with essential vitamins, and that green tea is a natural metabolism booster as well as the cinnamon that we added into the smoothie. So this not only is really healthy for you, but it tastes yummy as well. You can close it, put it into your fridge, and I did a whole video on my top 3 smoothie recipes, so if you want to get more smoothie ideas, I'll have it linked down below for you to check that one out as well. Speaking of boosting your metabolism, cinnamon is the key. Sprinkle cinnamon to any easy to add foods. You can sprinkle cinnamon on your toast, on a bowl of oatmeal, or apples like I'm showing you now, and it's just an easy and quick way to boost that metabolism, and cinnamon, in my opinion, just makes things taste even better. This next hack is to download a step counter app on your phone. I just use the app STEPSAPP. This is by no means sponsored. Found this app when I was doing my Ariana Grande workout video, which I'll link that down below, but I've been using it ever since. It's nice to be reminded to get active and just move around more. You can also set a daily goal, and it also notifies you when you're close to that goal. Just a really good way to get moving and motivate yourself. And it's also a free app, by the way. There's no payment or anything like that. This next hack is just to skip those dips. So skip the cheesy dips and chips because they are just full of unhealthy fats. If you want dips, I would say switch over to some fresh salsa, which is low calorie and full of fat burning tomatoes and metabolism stimulating spices, or something like hummus, which is an excellent source of belly filling protein, and I personally love hummus. Have hummus with things such as veggies like carrots, broccoli, cucumbers, because they're just loaded with a ton of fiber and other healthy nutrients, and it's just a lot better and healthier for your body. I personally love the taste of hummus and salsa, I must admit. This next hack is to snack smart. Studies show that people lose significant more body weight when they incorporate low sugar, high protein snacks into their daily routine. Things such as Greek yogurt with blueberries, chia seeds on it. This is a really high protein, low sugar snack, or even something like almonds, because this, for example, helps maintain your blood sugar levels and it stops your body from indulging in unhealthy foods. My last hack is to find alternatives to unhealthy things you enjoy. For example, my guilty pleasure is chips. I absolutely love chips, but I have recently started to make my own chips, which are a lot more healthier for you, but it still satisfies my craving. For example, I like to slice up sweet potato or even just a regular potato into small little pieces, throw it into the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes until it's crispy like a chip. If you don't just want plain potato chips, you can also add any spices or flavoring you want. And it just satisfies my craving of wanting chips. I always like to tell people that you don't have to eat less and go on these crazy diets. It's just about eating more healthier options and enjoying it because you want it to be a lifestyle. You don't want to feel like you're restricting yourself. You want to still eat what you want, but just try to go for the healthier options. I hope you guys enjoyed all these hacks and I hope they were useful for your lifestyle. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from this. Thumbs it up if you did like it. Also, it means so much to me if you guys click the subscribe button to join the Nicoletta's Fam Jam. We are getting closer now to 800,000, which is crazy. Can we do it? Can we do it? Also, it would mean so much if you click the bell, because if you click the bell, it would notify you when I upload, which is every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night, whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!